So guys, this is the drink I use in glowing my skin. So guys, if you want to have a glowing skin, please don't hesitate. Like, calm down and watch this video, and I tell you that you are not gonna regret it, because if you are taking this and you are consistent, guys, you are gonna have a glowing skin. So, hello my lovely friends, you're most welcome back to my channel. See Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, quick reminder, please, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to glow your skin. Alright, there's who would look at this skin and say it's not glowing? Like who? Who is that person? Like everywhere is glowing, glow, 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 glow. Yes, no makeup. It's not every time you have to max yourself, like max your skin, cover it under makeup and all of that. You don't need that. If you have a glowing skin, you really don't need that. Most times I don't do all of those things, guys, so I want you to like rock your natural skin and be confident. So let's jump right into this video.
So, my lovely people, I will really encourage you that if you want to glow your skin, let it come from within. Especially this receipt that I want to show you right now. If you are consistent with this receipt for even 2 weeks, or better still, 1 month, you are consistent with this, I tell you that your skin is gonna glow, like really glow. Once something is from within, it even lasts longer. It's just that it doesn't happen like boom. It doesn't happen that way, and a whole lot of people want it to happen that way. Oh, I'm just gonna go make a juice and drink it for just one day and my skin is gonna glow. Oh, I'm so sorry, it's not gonna glow. Yeah, it's not gonna glow. Just for that one day, it's not gonna glow. It won't glow. You have to be consistent, guys. Like, consistent. Some people might be wondering, what is she talking about? What is she pouring in? I'm going to explain all that I'm pouring in to this blender for you and tell you all the amazing benefit of it all. But guys, you just have to listen to my advice. So today I'm singing because I want to sing. Maybe if I sing, people will get to understand me better. So guys, after blending, you're gonna go ahead and sieve, and then your drink will be ready. Oh, what a good God! He has blessed us so much with nature, and nature has the full package for us. Look at these fruits. They both fruit that I just made use of are vitamin C rich fruits. They are in the vitamin C rich fruit family, and this is just so amazing. So orange juice is the excellent source of vitamin C and fulfills the entire day requirement of vitamin C. In just one serving, it's a tasty and delicious, with full of medicinal as well as health benefit. Orange juice is known for many minerals such as magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6, beta carotene, calcium, folic acid, and having low fat and no cholesterol at all. It's so amazing that rubbing orange juice on the face is beneficial for cleansing the clogged skin pores and good in prevention of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and fine lines. And also sunburn can be overcome by drinking orange juice. Like, awesome. Turmeric contains antioxidants and inflammatory components. These characteristics provide glow and luster to the skin. Turmeric also revives your skin by bringing out its natural glow. You may want to try turmeric face pack OMG at home to see if this spice has any positive effect on your skin, and I tell you guys that you are not gonna regret it, because this is such an amazing spice that is not just for eating, in your jollof rice. So guys, this recipe is just so powerful. You can just decide to blend it, blend the turmeric and pour orange juice and apply it on your face, or you just drink it. You get an amazing result. So what you should do with this drink, but I'll recommend you drink, you can also drink, then you also apply, for more effective results. So what I'm going to advise you, like, take this twice a day because of the turmeric. You don't need to be taking turmeric too much, unless if you want to lose weight, then you can be taking the turmeric like 3 times in a day. But if you don't want to lose weight, you can just take this drink once a day or twice a day.
Alright, my lovely people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.